The future is bright. Gotta wear shades. All right, guys, I want to show you my newest obsession with these sunglasses, right? These are sunglasses, but wait, check this out. When you press on the nose of here and you just hold down for a minute. Oh, there we go. All right, did you see that? I just pressed and hold it on there, and now these are not sunglasses. Isn't that crazy? How you can change the intensity of how dim you want these things, right? They're a little bit dim right now, but if I press and I hold on to this again, now I feel like I'm Poindexter, but do you see that flashing? Now they're sunglasses. Now they're blocking a lot more of that sun. So it's like, okay, I don't need them to block much sun. I want to be able to see a little bit clearer. I just press and hold that on, and they switch back. There we go. So they're a little bit touchy. You just got to push with the middle part of your finger. Now I can see, you know, it lets a lot more light into it. So depending on what you're doing, if you're outside, it's really sunny, or if you're indoors, you want to still wear your glasses, you can do that. Now, why would you want to wear your sunglasses indoors? Well, you want to wear them indoors because these are Bluetooth sunglasses that has an app associated with them. Now, why do you want an app associated with them? Because you can do language, right? You can actually have a conversation. If you're somebody speaking in Spanish or a different language, you can pick that up and you can actually hear what they're saying. So if you're at the office or working and you want to know what the people are saying about you in a different language, you can do that now. But check this out. So right here on the side, you turn them on. So I'm just going to show you this really quickly. There's an on-off button right here, and then you can press that, and now my music is playing in my ear. So right here, you can press this bar right here, and your music starts to play. Now your speakers are going to come just through these little tiny holes right here. And right there, little tiny holes. And so the advantage, disadvantage with that is you don't have anything in your ears so that you can hear the outside world. Disadvantage with that is that when you do play your music, people who are close can hear that too. So I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but the outside world can hear your music. So just plus minus, right? Other than that, it has an AI feature here, so you can use AI and you can ask AI to describe a photo to you or anything like that. So it has AI integrated in this. This is just one of my favorite go-to sunglasses because I love the fact that I could listen to my music indoors, and then when I'm outside and I need sunglasses, I have my sunglasses right here. Isn't that cool?